So I received this snapshot of UPS truck parked in front of my house. Surely enough,
Don't call me Shirley.
when I get home, I open the garage door and I see this. You see that thing? That? Yeah, that. It's the Philips 55-inch Roku TV. And this video is the absolute first unboxing and review video on YouTube. So without further ado, let's open the box, take the styrofoam out, and take the TV out. And once I crack open the box, I'm greeted with this "Read this first" leaflet. I read it, nothing really important. Take out the feet, there's one there, and here's the other one. And then the accessories bag, filled with remote, battery, power cable, and even more instruction manual. Up next, taking out the main styrofoam from the top, put it down there, and I have to go to the left and the most right side of the TV to take out the protector styrofoam from the left and from the right. Now grab both sides of the TV carefully so you don't press the screen accidentally and crack the screen. Waddle away to your nearest sofa and put your TV over there to install the supplied legs. Before I forget, if you can, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as it helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. It costs you nothing, but it means a lot to me. And also don't forget to click the bell notification button to all so you will be notified every time I upload a new video to my channel. And we're back to our regular programming. In the accessories department, we get the power cable, obviously, the screws, remote, and this is a typical Roku remote with direct access to Netflix, Disney+, Apple TV+, and of course, the free Roku channel. We got a pair of sturdy, made of metal legs with nubbins and pre-drilled holes so you can screw them to the bottom of the TV with those screws, and of course quick start guide manual in English and also in French. The detailed installation instruction is also included, but there is no diagram whatsoever, rendering it practically utterly useless. Unwrapping the TV naked, the TV, not me, I can immediately see the build quality is pretty much very, very good. Far better than my anticipation, especially considering the price of the TV. Good quality plastics are used, and the sturdiness itself is exemplary. As you can see here, the TV is pretty much very slim, especially compared to my big belly, but at the same time not too thin, so there is no flexing of the TV frame. Since I have to put the legs at the bottom of the TV anyway, so I flip the TV over, and here you can see the speakers, the infrared sensor, and here's the other speaker for the other side. And considering the size, I think the sound will be decent. Moving on in installing the leg, you see those holes over there. That will correspond with the nubbin on the feet. You just put it in like that and grab a pair of the screws. Insert them as such. Then we're ready for the next step. So what to do next? Well, we have to screw in the leg, obviously. Once you're done with one leg, we move on to the next leg, obviously. That goes without saying, but because of YouTube algorithm, I am forced to pad the video a little bit here and there. After you install the feet, you have to flip the TV. Thank you, Captain Obvious. And after you flip it over, you can see on the left side, when you're facing to the back of the TV, the LAN connector, a reset button, HDMI 1, 2, 3, 4, including eARC for HDMI 4, RF antenna in for ATSC 2.0 built-in tuner, USB input, analog video input, headphone analog out, and Toslink SpeedIF digital output. All of this input and tuner and everything, they are all housed in this little bump at the back of the TV. And this bump goes all the way down to the bottom of the TV, housing the relatively large speakers so you don't have to buy a soundbar. Of course, it's going to sound better if you use a soundbar, but at least you don't absolutely have to, like most other TV's sound system. As soon as you plugged in your TV will automatically power it on and goes to the initial setup. While I highly recommend people to use wired connection, for the purpose of this video, I choose wireless connection. It takes quite a while before the TV can see my SSID. However, once the TV got it, the TV got it. Besides, you only have to do it once for the duration of the life of this TV anyway, so that's not a big deal. A few moments later. There you go. The TV found my SSID, and then I enter my password. One eternity later. Scroll down to connect, click OK, and literally one eternity later, the TV grabbed hold of my SSID and do the software update right away. And when the TV is done with the software update, it will automatically turn off itself and restart back up. When that's done, you will then need to activate your TV simply by entering your email address, click continue, verify your email address by clicking the link provided in the email that Roku sent to you. You can then rename your device if you want to and choose the name of the location where the TV is located. In this case, living room. You can then choose which app you want to add into your Roku TV. Or if you don't want to do it now, you can do it later on directly on the TV itself. And once the installation process is complete, you can choose to download the Roku app on your mobile devices. And now for the recommended picture settings. While showing something, anything at all, press the star button. That one. Yep. Scroll down to picture settings, press enter. And you see that picture mode. Use low power. TV brightness set at darker. Under customize picture mode, dynamic contrast leave it at low. Color temperature, choose warm. Fine-tune picture, make sure that the brightness level is set to 48, not 50. 48. And then sharpness down to 40. And I almost forget, the contrast set it to 90 instead of 100. While I do not recommend to play with the zoom, if you want to, press the star button, go to picture setting, and then go to advanced setting. You will see picture size, click that, and you can choose whether you want it under auto, which is the default, or direct with slight zoom, normal, stretch, and complete zoom. But again, I recommend auto only. Leave the tint as is, especially because HD and UHD do not use tint. That's a relic from the NTSC days from about 15-20 years ago. So what's my verdict? Well, for a $650 and you're getting a 55-inch TV and you're getting Roku, it's a no-brainer. It's not a perfect TV, of course, but it's very decent and it's decently priced too. Black level is okay, color accuracy is, well, more than acceptable. Unfortunately, there's no real way to easily calibrate this TV. But even without calibration and just by using my recommended settings in the previous section of this video, this TV is surprisingly decent. And as you may have already known, I'm a TV video junkie, TV video snob. I'm a certified video calibrator for 25 years. It's not easy for me to give something as decent. And yet, this TV pleasantly surprised me. The only part I don't like about this TV is the lack of black level. But in order to get a better black level, you'll need to spend at least another $400 plus tax. And that is almost doubling the price of this TV. Which of course doesn't make sense if your budget for the TV is around $650. Coupled with the Roku capability, which means the most user-friendly TV on the market, And you get a properly curated free TV channel, the Roku channel that is. This 2023 Philips Roku TV is an amazing value that is impossible to beat. So is that time again? Please share your thoughts in the comments down below. Click like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell notification so the next time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.